Hey, 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 it's March and it's time for a giveaway. We have our new Mango Madness Moisture Box. Here is what you'll get. First, we have our sugar scrub. We have our awesome lip balm. And we have our, of course, Nigel's Jamaican almond oil. Then we have our mango butter. And then also our Mango Madness bath bomb. So I'm going to show you how each one of these things works. Of course, all of our products have Nigel's Jamaican almond oil in it. Nigel's Jamaican almond oil is made from cold pressed Jamaican almonds. It's good for every single part of your skin. I'll give you a little show of what it's like. Okay. And I feel like I might have a little sugar on my hands from the sugar scrub earlier, but you can see my skin instantly started to glow, and it's good for every single body part. That's how natural it is. So all of our products have this in it. You guys might already know. My husband Nigel, he's the one that makes it. Absolutely awesome, and it's in every single one of our products. So what do we have next? So we have our mango body butter, and this is just delish. I'm going to show you guys in this container. Hold on. Here we go. So this is my personal. So this is our mango body butter. The mango body butter, let me put it on my other hand. So the mango body butter is made with the Jamaican almond oil as well as cocoa butter, shea butter. It's absolutely divine. We have a 1 ounce can, which is equivalent to like 16 ounces of lotion. So that's in there. Yay. And then we have the lip butter. Now my hands are too oily. Okay, here we go. So the lip butter, I started making this whenever Nigel, when we moved to California, and Nigel's lips were super cracked, super dry. And this right here is made with no animal parts. You can see, gives me a nice shine. So there's no harsh chemicals or anything in here. It's completely natural. Absolutely love it too. The base of it is Nigel's Jamaican almond oil. It also has sunflower wax, a little bit of peppermint, and it's wonderful for protecting your lips from the sun and from dryness, and it'll help heal your lips as well. So then what's next? Next, we have our sugar scrub. Now, this is brand new. I tested this a couple months ago and came up with a new recipe. This one is nice and creamy. It's a nice creamy sugar scrub. It's as soon as I open that, woo! So you can ignite your shower with this. So this right here, show you what this is like. So I never really used sugar scrub before this, but some of my friends suggested that I make some, so I did. So this also is the base, is Nigel's Jamaican almond oil. So I know I already have oil on this hand, but let's see. Well, let's see. It smells divine. And this is a really nice exfoliant for your skin, especially if you have dry skin or itchy skin. This is a wonderful exfoliant, and then a super moisturizer. You can see the moisture on my arms, and wow, it's really wonderful all over the whole body. So then, last but not least, we have mango bath bomb. And our bath bombs are made, of course, with Nigel's Jamaican almond oil. So it's a super moisturizing bath. This is a wonderful thing for anyone that has dry skin, extra dry skin, kids with eczema. Absolutely awesome. There are no perfumes or dyes in our bath bombs. So they're 100% natural, gentle, and safe. So let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. And I wish you could smell it. It smells absolutely divine. Whoop. And it's not going to stain your tub. Let me see. It's not going to stain your tub because they are vegan colors. And I don't know if you can see it, but you can see the oil. I can see the oil on top. And you won't need any lotion when you get out of the tub. So that is our Mango Madness Moisture box. Get yours today. They're 20% off the retail price because it is a bundle. So just visit our site, and we're going to be giving some of these away. Visit our site, www.nigelsjamaicanalmondworld.com. Oh, this is still going. It smells divine. All right, I'm going to go take a bath. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.